Good morning, guys. Today is the day we are going to be packing, getting ready to the Philippines. We won't be going until next month, but we are just gonna be ready. That is my backpack right there, and that's my emergency flip-flops just in case my feet get started walking to the airport. That's my luggage, super pink, and we're gonna be ready. This is my husband's luggage. His is silver. That's also going to the Philippines. I'm gonna give that to our children. That's the socks my husband's gonna be wearing. His clothes, I'm gonna pull that. This is I'm gonna give this to my 17-year-old daughter. Some of the swimming wear my husband's gonna take with him. That's his backpack. Toiletries, some of the vitamins. I'm gonna bring some chocolates for the children. We have Toblerone, Mr. Goodbar, Reese's. All these bags. I'll give that to my children, our children. Some of this clothes is mine, but half of that is also going to be giveaway. Very colorful, that's crazy. Anyways, that's gonna be some of my sandals to wear to the Philippines. And lastly, I just had printed 76 pictures in Walgreens, pick it up yesterday. I also bought some laminator because I am going to laminate my mom's and dad's pictures, and I think this is the only pictures I have with them together. My mom passed away 10 years ago. She's beautiful. And the pictures of me, I'm gonna laminate the wedding of me and my husband. And some of these collage pictures of our children with my mom, my husband, the children. I'm gonna laminate that today, so yeah, it's gonna be so exciting and can't wait. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.